This video tutorial is about removing the adware that is called ConnectivityRepair. ConnectivityRepair is the adware from the adload family of computer infections. ConnectivityRepair adware is attacking Mac computers these days. The adware, once installed, starts to display a lot of junk advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So if it was somewhere or another installed into your system, you need to right click on it and select the option to move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then start investigating your device. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.